Self-wrought evil defiles that dwell in evil. Undone once truly pure, none redeems another. Dhammapad 165. It is by one's own self that evil is done. It is one's own action that defiles a person. If a person does not commit evil action, one is purified. A person is cleansed entirely by one's own self. One cannot purify another. Purity and impurity both depend on one's own self. By oneself is evil done, by oneself defiled, by oneself it is left undone, by self alone one purified. Purity, impurity on oneself depend. No one can purify another. Dhammapad 165. Attanava katang papa attana sankilissati. Attana akatang papang attanava pisujjhati. Shuddhi ashuddhi pachatang jnanonang ayayang visadhaye. Dhammapad 165.